This is the SUTEFOTO P100 RGB light, and thanks to Valor Review who sent us this light. Say that in our unboxing. If you haven't seen the unboxing video, it will be at the end of this one or in the description. But really, I just want to show you how much fun and how much powerful this light is. When we unbox it, we're using the DIY made light, but now we have this light on coming from this angle, and we have one of our DIY made light here. One of the key things that's actually interests me in this light is the fact that it has remote control for both Android and iPhone. So I can put the remote on Android, I can put it on the iPhone, and I'm going to show you every function because there is so much you can do with this SUTEFOTO light. So this is the video I promise you that I'm going to show you every fun thing on this light. So let's jump into it. The SUTEFOTO RGB 100 is a dual LED light that's so powerful it can light up the whole room by itself. Now take a look at how this light is lighting up the whole room in this camera. But there's more. You can also use it as a key light with a bigger softbox to get yourself that bright concentrated light. But in this video we want to talk about the fun part, where you can actually use the remote control on this part to even kind of start up a party if you want to. So I'm going to jump in and give you every feature of this light from the remote control app, which is a very great bonus. Starting from the colorated color temperature CCT. First, you can set the intensity, or you can set the color temperature warm you want it, and then you can also do compensation for magenta concentration. Then next we have the HSI. So here is quite interesting. You can actually choose any kind of color that you want that will suit your background. So moving from key light to color light. Then we have the RGBCW, and here is where you can actually tweak color to any one you want, be it on the blue, on the green, on the red. You can combine it to give yourself almost, it's the limit of the there's no limit to the combination you can combine light and what you can get and how warm it can be. Then there is where the party starts now, the effects that you can use to create maybe party, a cinema, a fire ambulance. There are options there, and mind you can actually put this thing down somewhere and use it as a kind of backlight. You can use it as a key light, and that's one thing I love about this. I have other lights right now that's just one or dual LED, but this one has a lot of feature. So if you're somebody who wants to be creative, I will really recommend this light because you can use it to create almost anything that you want to create. And that's quite interesting. So different effects. You can also control the intensity or the frequency of some of those effects from that place. So that is an interesting thing about the SUTEFOTO. And the one that interests me more is that you can actually use the camera of the phone to capture the type of color you want. Now this is so good. If you have two lights and you want it to be the same temperature and the same color, you can go in and pick a color of light with your camera pointed to that place. Once you tap on the color, it will arrange or adjust the light to give you that same feel. So here I want to just get the feel of that background light. Then I will go to something, maybe a color. I can actually pick a color here like the blue color, and you see the way it represents. So that is so much utility, and this light is truly a very fun light. So there you have it. The SUTEFOTO P100 is going for about $140 to $200 depending on where you buy it from, and the cost of shipping or whatever you get it. It can even go as high as $250 depending on where you're buying it, but it's really fun light. It's not the strongest in terms of the build. It has plastic build, but very strong plastic, and I'm really enjoying it. So thanks Valor Review for sending us this light. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and all the features and the things you can do with it. And make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, so that other people can see this video. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.